Today we're going to be doing some extreme sledding in the cold. First, we need to inflate all of them up. As you can see, this one deflated, so we're going to cut the ring off so that we can still have the ball. We got to get him over the fence first.
Wait, which fence? Back or front fence?
Yeah, the front fence here.
Yes!
Clifford. There you go. It's loaded. Oh wait, one more. All right, I'm gonna.
We got it.
Take him from the back and push him forward.
Oh no, the avocado!
No!
Is it leaking?
Have to ride in the pit.
Already had to patch the avocado.
Got it.
Oh, not careful.
Avocado's coming.
Let's go.
Try not to drag him, that's gonna pop him.
Uh-oh. Where are we going? All right. Out of it.
I got duct tape. I'm gonna make a finish line between the two trees. And the starting line as well.
That's really crooked. Dad,
What?
that's crooked. Yes, very.
Why don't we just like scrape it?
Line number 2. There we go. Make sure there's no injuries with this tree, so we're gonna tape it around here. All right, completely safe. Okay. Happy birthday, Maya. Happy birthday, Jesse. We're gonna do a little competition here, and the way it's gonna work is Maya and Jesse are gonna get first pick as the birthday twins of the floaties, and then the seniors are gonna get next, and then the sophomores after that.
Juniors.
Oh, juniors too. And so it's gonna be one person against one person. The winner moves on. Person who is the last person standing wins. Couple of rules. You need to make sure you can decide if you want to jump on it or not, but if it pops, then you're out. Maya, you get to go pick yours first.
So Maya.
I don't know.
Avocado's super fast.
Oh my gosh, this is the shark. He's taking the shark.
Jesse is next.
What do you got? Can I opt to go last to see? Nope.
No.
I thought that was
Oh, you
pretty
can.
low.
You're gonna give up your.
Nope, you
your
can't.
choice?
You're gonna go last.
Go,
You gotta
go, Jesse.
You get
No.
You're done for it.
No,
The bull's
wait,
Wait. I thought it was deflated.
All right, so Jesse is choosing to go last.
All right.
So I'm gonna draw. So Jesse, you can tell me when you want to go. All right. Next going is Henry. Zach. Uh-oh.
Taking the goose.
The golden
The
goose.
golden goose, huh?
Next pick
Funny move.
goes to Nate.
No, you have no obligation. Hey. You won't.
Oh yeah, the unicorn.
Yes!
Delone.
Well, what are you choosing?
Checking the
Bad
fins.
fin.
No, I'll take it.
All
All
right.
right.
Delone is going with the other shark. Elliot.
I want to take the duck, but I feel like it's too big.
Hey, but you might
Come
be
on.
good.
Hey, Henry.
You might be the best.
The bigger the better. It goes faster.
Jesse, come here. I'm gonna give you some $10.
I'll go the dinosaur.
Yes.
Blue Dino.
Oh.
Elliot. Blue Dino. And Julian
What are you
is
gonna
the last
take?
Senior.
I'm taking the dragon.
All
Yes.
right. The golden dragon.
All right.
All right.
Able to budge in.
Yep. What are you
Jesse's
gonna
now
get?
going to take his pick.
Which one's the
Look at the duck, bro. Look at this thing. It's huge. Jesse, look at the power.
Do it, Jesse. Oh, savage.
It's got drink holders in it. Awesome.
All right, Jesse chooses the rubber ducky. Drew and Isaac, there's a no-show. So do you two want to do a play-in to see who gets to be in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we allowed to go together?
They called you cheaters already. Wow. This is brutal.
Courtney.
Take the ball.
Or the chicken. You won't take the chicken.
Check in.
Yes, Courtney.
All right, Swan.
The swan is Courtney. Bree, what are you going to choose? The flamingo. All right.
The pink flamingo for Bree. Okay, now the sophomores. Annika.
Yes. That's going to be a fast one.
Next. Mari.
Donut.
Eleison. Strawberry donut for Eleison. Zona.
Taking the ball. Yeah. Joelle, what are you going to choose today?
Take the balloon! Yeah!
Chicken! All
I
right.
got Drew and Isaac as stand-ins. Yeah. They're going to do a little run-off to see who gets the last spot. Drew's older, so he gets first choice.
Oh, nice.
Yes, true.
All right.
All right. Yep, he's a little sad. He's a little wonky.
And the orange chicken.
Look, how are you gonna jump on that? I'm just jump on this? Like,
All right, for the play-in round, we got brothers Drew and Isaac going to battle first.
yes.
All right, when you're walking up the hill, you got to either walk on that side of the tree or on that side of the tree. So I'm going to say on your mark, get set, go. At that point, you can start. All right? You ready? On your mark, get set, go. I am Monica.
They popped. Oh, wait.
I know I'm going really slow. Don't show this. I'm tired.
Okay, on your marks, get set, go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Damone has been eliminated.
Should have won.
Oh.
Shake gave up on me.
I don't know who won that one.
Don't know who won?
Review the footage. It was actually really close.
Booth review. Booth review.
All right, we got to check the photo finish on this one. Oh, yep.
Oh.
The blue dino, I think.
Yeah.
Blue
Dino! Here, I switch you. Yeah, I know, it's just hard to see real well, but I'll do it.
All right, well, popped again, so we'll see
It's
if we
popped?
Get, yeah, I think we can try to get a third round out of it. The second time we actually got a full rip instead of just popping.
All right, go.
wait a minute. I won that. I won that.
I think the chicken. Chicken!
All right, I can do this one. On your mark, get set, go.
Whoa! You almost had him, Mari.
Almost had me there.
Swan one, but you came back at the end, Annika. Nice job.
Can you trade out?
No, I don't think so. No trading out.
Trading out.
We can't trade out.
Oh, well, my other one's flat.
You gotta try right it then.
So we have another contention that Courtney was a couple feet over the line.
Uh-oh. We disqualify or
Does that mean that I win?
There was word that Courtney and her swan were across the line, so we gotta redo that one.
I think if they make Courtney go again, you might have some time. Okay. Here. Here are patches. I don't know if you want to try. Oh, you know what? There's duct tape in that cooler.
All right, this is try number 2. On your mark, get set, go.
Avocado! Sorry, Court. How do you feel? I'm excited. You get one more run out of it, Drew. One more run.
Got some patchwork here.
Jesse! You want to give it a whirl? Whatever it takes. Do the most.
No.
All right,
Use those hands.
I guess so.
on your mark,
New Minneapolis.
get set, go.
You're almost there. You're still in. You're still in. No, it might be a little flat. Hey, there you go.
Oh, you gotta make it to the finish line!
All right, you ready? Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Oh no! I know I did, but it popped.
Make it across!
My ticket popped.
Just this side.
All right,
You got this, girl.
on your mark, get set, go.
Who had it? Elliot pulled through, I think. I think Elliot pulled through. Elliot. No way, Elliot.
Blue Dino! Elliot won! Elliot had it, sorry. Not by much. Monica, you did great.
Wait, on your mark, get set, go.
Go, Jesse!
Jesse, go!
Wait, no! Jesse!
Jesse, go!
Nah.
Good job, Jesse.
So we've got Jesse with his rubber ducky
Rubber ducky!
and Elliot with his blue dino.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so great!
Let's go, Jesse.
On your mark, get set, go.
Oh, no way! He popped it. This thing popped. It popped.
Right there. It popped.
So we got Elliot and a blue dino as a champ.
Oh, yeah.
Jesse, what happened there?
I guess the rubber ducky thought it was too much. Couldn't handle the cold.
Ooh. On your mark, get set, go.
pulling. Yeah, keep pulling. Do whatever, let's go.
Whoa!
Did you see me get plowed by Aunt Jessie? No.
Oh.
Again, you didn't quite make it.
Oh man.
Yeah, we're gonna go crazy fast.
But
Oh yes, look at this.
are we getting a few more?
Oh my gosh, this is scary. Oh, you went down on your back. That's fast.
Two pushes. Do on everyone.
Hey, I'll push.
Okay, please don't get hurt. I mean, like for reals.
Okay.
Thank you. Don't do that.
If we're going into the tree, I'm jumping off. Go! No!
Right side, push right side. Yeah!
How is it still weighted?
I'm trying to make it move.
Yeah! Julian! Oh, I'm definitely riding the shark.
Yes!
Henry, you need one of these going. Come on, Julian! Don't die, Elliot.
Wait, turn.
Let's go! Push!
Hey, away from the tree! Away from the tree!
I ate it.
Yeah! We had 9 people?
Hey, we still got the unicorn.
Yeah! Take 2?
Oh, true. Oh, I hope that was worth it.
That's dizzy.
Looks like you're swimming.
Yeah, Henry!
Guys, I actually kind of want to do that.
Yeah, it's done.
It's going in my trophy case, you know.
Arms, boys? Yeah, like arms here.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, that's it. Bye, avocado.
No, Henry! Henry!
That was the most satisfying feeling.
We just went down the hill and it's popped. Mari, that unicorn is dead. That unicorn.
We're riding straight for you.
Oh my God! Whoa! I just got snowy.